welcome to the GenomePT-iMM tutorials. Today we are going to talk about what is Docker. Simply put, Docker is a tool to run applications in an isolated environment. We know that code and applications don't always work on every system because of differences in computer environments between users. One way to overcome this situation would be to use virtual machines to run a guest operating system on the host computer, behaving like a separate computer with a different environment. Or we could use Docker and its containerization system. Virtual machines function through virtualization, meaning that at the base of the process, you have a server representing your laptop, topped with an operating system like Linux, Windows Server, or the Mac OS. Since virtual machines are isolated computers stored inside several files, they need programs to run them. That's the role of the hypervisor, common examples being VMware or VirtualBox. On top of that, you have the virtual machine itself that gathers the guest operating system and the libraries to run the desired application on the server. On the other hand, the containerization used by Docker involves identically a server and an operating system. But it also has a Docker engine, an open source containerization technology that runs on the host operating system. This allows us to run applications inside containers, also directly on the host operating system. So we see that, unlike virtual machines, where guest operating systems are required for each application, Docker uses the host operating system to run the applications. The advantages of using Docker include lightweight processes. Since the operating system is shared amongst applications, there is no need for higher server efficiency. Portability. The containers where the applications run are always set up the same way, independently of the host operating system, making them runnable on every computer. Overall, Docker makes using applications a fast and easy process. There is no need to bother with complex configuration steps, since everything is included in the Docker system. All of these advantages make Docker a privileged tool to keep your project simple and easily shareable. And that's all for today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next GenomePT